Welcome to our lesson on triangle congruence, angle side angle. Triangles are congruent when their corresponding sides are congruent and their corresponding angles are congruent. There are congruent statements used to prove a set of triangles congruent even though measurements for all 6 parts of the triangle are not given. Angle side angle, or ASA, is one of these statements. The ASA congruent statement states that 2 triangles are congruent when 2 of their corresponding angles are congruent and the sides included in those sets of angles are congruent. So, for example, if I have triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and I want to prove that these 2 triangles are congruent using the angle side angle congruent statement. I have to indicate that 2 corresponding angles are congruent and the side included in those corresponding angles is also congruent. So angle A and angle D are congruent, and this is known because they both have one arc. Angles B and E are congruent, and this is indicated because they both have 2 arcs. Now, in order for these 2 triangles to be congruent based on angle side angle, the side that is included in those 2 angles must be congruent to the other, the corresponding one. So side AB, and I'm going to use 1 tick mark to indicate that side AB and side DE are congruent. And so with that being said, side AB is congruent to side DE. Angle A is congruent to angle D, and angle B is congruent to angle E. And because of this, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. And that is based on the angle side angle congruent statement. That concludes our lesson on triangle congruence, angle side angle.